everyone, it's Liv again. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to pull off a bold lip for your big day. A bold lip is the best way to make a statement at your wedding day. Plus, there are so many lip colors, you can really customize your look based on your bouquet, your bridesmaid dresses, and so on. But in today's video, I will be showing you how to do this bold berry lip with hints of gold shimmer on the lips as well as the eyes. So let's get started. First, we're going to prime our face. Priming your face will help create a canvas for the rest of your makeup, as well as providing hydration to your face and making sure your makeup lasts throughout the day and the night. It's important to look natural on your wedding day, which is why I love using a BB cream, which provides light to medium coverage, as well as keeping your skin nice and moisturized throughout the day and the night. Next, we're going to take a concealer to cover up any other trouble areas on our face. Use a pressed powder to set your face makeup and to control shine. Let's add some warmth to our face by applying a matte bronzer to your cheekbones and making sure it's blended in your hairline and forehead. For a little extra shimmer, let's add a champagne-colored highlighter to your cheekbones. Let's keep the eyebrows super natural by only filling them in a little bit and setting it with a tinted brow mascara. Now it's time for the eyes. I really love using a cream eyeshadow as a primer, not only to make your eyeshadow color stand out, but to also keep your eyeshadows lasting. Now let's start working on the eyeshadow. I'm going to take a super soft, light bronze eyeshadow color and apply that all over my lids and into my brow bone. We're going to use the same eyeshadow brush, flip it over, and apply a darker golden bronze color and focus that really on the center of your lids. To deepen up the look, let's add a deeper bronze color to the crease and make sure to blend it out real well. Now take a smaller, even more precise brush and apply the darkest, deepest bronze color to the outer corner, and then taking your blending brush and blending all the colors together. We're not going to use any eyeliner on the bottom lash line, but instead taking that small precise brush and that same dark bronze color you applied to your outer corner and smudge it on your lower lash line. We're not going to go too crazy with the eyeliner on the upper lash line. Instead, we're just going to apply a very, very thin line of black gel eyeliner as close to your eyelashes as possible. Now that your eyeshadow and eyeliner are completed, this is completely optional, but feel free to apply false eyelashes. Because the eyeshadows and the lips are going to be so bold, I'm going to skip the false eyelashes and just apply black mascara to my top lashes. Now it's time for the star of the show, your berry lip. I love using a lip crayon because it's super easy and precise to apply, which will also make touching up your lip color throughout the day and the night super easy. This is the perfect berry lip color because it's super bold, but it's not matte or shimmery. It's the perfect in between. I also like using a small lip brush for an even more precise application. To tie this look all together, I'm going to take a gold shimmering lip gloss and apply that all over my lips, really concentrating the color on the middle of my lips. For this step, I'm also using my small lip brush, dipping it in the gold lip gloss to make sure the application is as precise as it can be. And there you have it, a super easy yet beautiful, bold makeup look that's not only great for brides, but also bridesmaids or guests of any wedding. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below how you like to wear a bold lip, and I'll see you next time.